Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make clickable thumbnails with your phone in just 10 minutes for free. One of the important things to help you get more views on YouTube is your thumbnail. No matter how great your videos are, if you don't have a great thumbnail to go with it, you won't get a lot of views because nobody is going to click on your videos to watch them. So in today's video, I'll show you 3 easy to use apps that are free for making clean and clickable thumbnails. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. The first free and easy to use app for creating thumbnails is Inshot. For the sake of this tutorial, please watch in portrait mode for clarity. Open the Inshot app. The next step is to select the photo you would like to use as your thumbnail. Follow the red arrow. Next, we will select canvas and change the aspect ratio to 16:9 since we are making a YouTube thumbnail. Next, select text. Keep your text minimal. Let's position our text here. Make sure your text is bold and easy to read. Click here to change the font. Here there are a lot of options. Let's go with this one. I think this looks good. Let's add another text. We'll drag it here and reduce the size. Next, you can click on the pen icon here to edit your text. So here you can select the color wheel to add some color and style to your text. This black and white text looks great, so let's stick to it. Next, you can add the subscribe button if you prefer. Select sticker and select subscribe. This thumbnail looks great. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. So click on save and your thumbnail is ready. Guys, can you see how easy this is using your phone? If you would like to learn how to film your YouTube videos with just your phone, check this video out. So moving on, the next free and easy to use app is Instagram. Open the Instagram app. Next, go to your stories. Select the photo you would like to use as your thumbnail. So here I'm just rotating and zooming so that it fits the screen. Next, we will add some text and change the font. There are a lot of options to choose from. We'll go for something bold. Let's increase the size of the text and position it here. Let's add more text. You can add stickers and emojis if you like. Once your thumbnail is ready, all you need to do is to save it to your camera roll. Next, we'll go into our camera roll and rotate our photo. Go ahead and save it, and that is it. Our thumbnail is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Guys, kindly subscribe and like if you're enjoying this video. Thank you. So this is very quick and easy, right? Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite thumbnail maker so far, Inshot or Instagram. So the next free and easy to use app is Snapseed. Click on the plus icon to add your photo. Next, click on Tools. Select Crop. Next, we will select 16:9 aspect ratio since it's a YouTube thumbnail. Next, click on Tools to add some text. Snapseed has a lot of text templates to choose from. Remember to keep your text minimal and bold so that it's easy to read. Click here to change the font. Let's go with this one. You can click on the color palette here to change the color. When you are satisfied with the outcome, all you have to do is to save it and you are good to go. Guys, one tip to keep in mind is your thumbnail shouldn't be more than 2 MB in size. Otherwise, you won't be able to upload it to YouTube. So if your thumbnail is more than 2 MB in size, all you have to do is to screenshot your thumbnail and use the screenshots instead. Guys, join the waitlist for my beginner videography and photography course to learn how to edit your videos professionally with just your phone. The link is in the description box. My name is Efua, and if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. watch the content creation playlist next. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. See you in the next video.